The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is one of the most eagerly awaited smartwatches, and while its official release date remains months away, rumors and leaks are already flooding the internet. As we approach the official announcement, there's a growing anticipation surrounding the features, pricing, and availability of Samsung's next flagship wearable. Historically, Samsung has followed a consistent release schedule for the Galaxy Watch series, so it's no surprise that fans are looking forward to a summer 2025 unveiling. For instance, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 was announced at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26, 2023, and officially hit stores on August 11, 2023. Similarly, the Galaxy Watch 7 made its debut on July 10, 2024, with a release shortly thereafter on July 24. With this track record, it's safe to assume that the Galaxy Watch 8 will likely be revealed around July 2025, keeping in line with Samsung's annual release cycle. Samsung has been known for offering multiple models with each iteration of the Galaxy Watch, and the Galaxy Watch 8 series will be no exception. We can expect at least 3 distinct models in the lineup: the standard Galaxy Watch 8, the more premium Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and a second iteration of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Each model will likely cater to different user preferences, from those seeking a sleek and simple design to those looking for advanced features like LTE connectivity, larger displays, and high-end finishes. As for the pricing of the Galaxy Watch 8, Samsung has been relatively stable with its pricing strategy for the base models, which suggests that the Galaxy Watch 8 will follow a similar price point. It's predicted that the 40mm Galaxy Watch 8 will start at approximately $299, while the larger 44mm model may retail at around $329. If you're eyeing the LTE variant, you'll likely need to factor in an additional $50, which has been a typical extra charge for Samsung smartwatches in the past. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, known for its more traditional design, is expected to be the higher-end model, boasting premium materials and a more sophisticated aesthetic. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch Ultra will continue Samsung's push into the premium smartwatch market, with a focus on rugged design, longer battery life, and advanced features aimed at fitness enthusiasts and adventurers. With the constant evolution of wearable technology, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 series promises to include enhancements across the board. The larger, high-resolution display, improved fitness tracking features, and potentially new health sensors will be key selling points. Rumors also suggest that Samsung might integrate advanced AI features for smarter health management and deeper integration with other Samsung Galaxy devices. In terms of features, Samsung is expected to further improve the battery life of the Galaxy Watch 8, a concern that many users have raised about previous models. The larger screen size on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic could also mean more screen real estate for users who prefer larger smartwatches. Additionally, health and fitness features such as blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, and ECG monitoring will likely be part of the package, keeping Samsung competitive in the growing health smartwatch market. For those already using a previous Samsung Galaxy Watch model, upgrading to the Galaxy Watch 8 may seem like a no-brainer, especially if you're looking for a more polished design or additional smart features. On the other hand, if you're new to the Samsung smartwatch ecosystem, the Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to be a strong contender in the wearable tech market with a wide array of features that appeal to both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. Overall, while we're still months away from an official announcement, Samsung's Galaxy Watch 8 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated tech releases of 2025. Whether you're a longtime Galaxy Watch user or new to the ecosystem, there's a lot to look forward to when the official launch takes place next summer. Stay tuned for the latest news and updates as we get closer to the official release. And as always, don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about the latest Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 news and other tech content. On this channel,